Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Windows Update error 0x8024A004, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. Next one is to reset Windows Update components, and I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. This will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSOG, and finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.